We've been working with plug-in stations for a year and a half now. We've been supplying their latest project up in Finchley, Mayflower Lodge, and we supply their London engineers on a weekly basis with their cable. We do their specialised kits here behind me. The kits, they help the engineers because it helps them work more efficiently, it makes them tidier, it also makes them more organised when they're working. They don't need to rummage around their van, everything's in a specific place in the kit. By giving the engineers a better service, they can provide the customer a better service.
We definitely feel there's great value to being a family-run business because you're working with people that you can trust and also people that can care. My son has actually recently come into the business and this is his future and my retirement, so it's got to work for both of us. We like working with plug-in stations because they're also a family-run business. They're very young, they're very dynamic. They've got so much energy, you could probably power half of the electric cars in London off them alone.